summer wig. Hi guys, hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Lady Law and today I am here to showcase and review 2 wigs from TEMU. Yes, you heard that right, TEMU. They sent me 2 wigs to showcase and review for you guys. You can kind of see how their wigs are and possibly go over to their website and purchase some of these. So the first wig I'm gonna try is a kinky curly wig. It's a headband wig. And this is what it looks like. Right away is so soft. I fluffed out the curls a little bit, but yeah, it comes like this. And then here's the headband and the cap. It has combs, and it does also come with adjustable straps. Wig cap on. I already got my edges gelled because you'll see. So put it on, then you just snap the headband. This is what it looks like. I have seen people wear it like this. I would advise you not to, so this is wearing it. And then I'm gonna just push it back to reveal my edges. And then I'm gonna just flip the band over. Voila, there you have it. I'm gonna step off camera, wet it a little bit, and come back and show you. Guys, this is with the hair wet. I stepped off camera to just give it a good wet, and I am loving these curls. Oh my gosh, I love it. All I did was add water to my hands and just run it through. TEMU. Okay, TEMU. Guys, here it is. I love it. Like, I love it. I love the curl pattern. I love how lightweight it is on my head. This is gonna be definitely a go-to for the summer because I can just like grab and throw on, like when I'm going to the store, when I'm going to a party, like it does not matter. I just have to switch up the headband if needed to let it match. But yes, like, oh, this is popping. This is the medium curly headband wig. The pricing on this starts at $22 or $22.50. Don't worry, I'll put the link down below so you'll be able to just click on the link and directly purchase it. It starts at $22 for like 10 inches, and then it gradually goes up. This is a 16-inch one, if I'm not mistaken. It's only $28, so head over to TEMU. I'll put all the links down below. Okay, so let's try the next wig. That's called like a highlighted bangs wing. Yeah, bit of a challenge. This is what it looks like. It's a highlighted bangs wig, curly bang wig. If I'm not mistaken. This is also 16 inches. Don't panic. And it comes with a headband. Oh, I like the elastic headband here to help secure it. So it gives you some combs to work with. All right, here goes that. The cap on these are snug. Like, whew, mercy and grace. I'm gonna need my tools here, and by tools I mean like curling iron, straighten iron, whatever iron I can get my hands on, scissors, probably mousse. So I'll be right back. Well, let me finger comb it first, because these curls are supposed to be 16 inches. I guess if you stretch it, it'll be 16 inches. I think it's cute. Oh, so the curls have dropped. I think it's cute. I can put my own curls here. And as you can see, I've straightened this side. So there's human hair. So you can rock it like this, or you can rock it like this. So when it's like this, you get to see that it is 16 inches. So this is what it looks like, guys. I love it. So here I am. I decided to put some looser wand curls back in. I'm kind of wishing I didn't straighten it, but I like these loose curls, and here's the final look. And here you get to see like the highlighted part. So guys, yeah, this is what the second one looks like. I'll drop this link down below as well. If you like this video, if you have learned something new from this video, please don't forget to like and comment. And anything I may have missed, or if you have any additional questions that I didn't mention, please feel free to drop it down below. If you haven't already, head over to TEMU to look at their wig collection. Yes, sometimes you will get some ones that don't work for you, but it's always good to read the reviews before you purchase. And also just subscribe and hit your notification bell so that you can just count on me to review these wigs for you, so you know exactly which ones to pick and buy.